Acuity tutorial, how to use Acuity scheduling Squarespace. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel, and today I will show you how you can use Acuity app for scheduling an appointment. So before anything else, just a brief background about this app. Acuity Scheduling is a scheduling solution for clients who want to view their availability in real time and to book their appointments based on their planned schedule. It is valued for its high functionality and its user-friendly interface. This helps users take care of their schedules and avoid mishaps. It also notifies users when appointments are booked and let them use their mobile devices to check their schedules time to time. So for today's tutorial, I will be showing you first how you can set up your availability. Second, how you can create your different appointment types. And lastly, customize your own scheduling page. So without further ado, let's dive in. So first, visit acuityscheduling.com. This is the home page. And make sure that you already created an account here. You can just simply connect your Google account or different email to sign up. So here, let me just log in since I already created my account here. And after I log in, this is now the main dashboard. So this is your appointment calendar. And just go to your left side menu bar and scroll down and look for availability. And let's start with the setup of your availability here. So availability is the most important to set up first because it's the core of all your scheduling appointments. So here, before we set up the hours of availability, let's first set up your client scheduling limit. So click here and under do not allow clients to schedule fewer than. This is the minimum hours that the clients must book in advance for you to prepare for the appointment. So here there's a default of 12 hours. It simply means that the client must book an appointment 12 hours or more in advance before the real time of the appointment. So you can change the duration of time here. It's up to you if how long you want your clients to book in advance. And then you also have days here, if how many days you allow your clients to book an appointment in the future. So as a default, they have 365 days here. It means that the client is able to book an appointment in the future for the whole year. So with this, I can book an appointment now or today for the future, like 6 months later. And over here, you have the do not allow clients to cancel or reschedule an appointment less than. So this is the minimum number of the hours that the client may able to cancel an appointment. Let's change this 8 hours. So it simply means that the client may able to cancel or reschedule the appointment 8 hours before the time of their appointment. But if the client has 4 or 5 hours left till his or her appointment, then this client is no longer able to cancel or reschedule the appointment. Then next, set up the number of appointments per time slot. So if you're the only one who do the work or assist your client, then it's better to set up one appointment per slot. But if you have multiple workers who can assist your clients, then you can set up 2 or more appointments per slot. Then here you can set up your maximum appointments. You can have accept appointments until fully booked or accept a maximum number of appointments. And here you can set maximum hours per day or maximum number of appointments per day or maximum number per week. Let me select here number of appointment per day of 16 appointments. So after that, don't forget to save it. Always save whenever you make any changes. And here you can have the block off time. This is to block some time or hours showing that you are not available during that time. This is good if you have important thing to do or if you will have vacation or just taking some time off. Block off time on your calendar to prevent clients from booking an appointments. You can also add some notes here for your clients to be aware why you are not available. And after that, it's time for us to set our regular availability every week. So I will just select here the regular hours every week. But if you have different time, you can change it. But for today's tutorial, I will keep this regular hours, then save it. Then go to your calendar settings over here and you can name your calendar like the name of your company maybe. Then you can add a description here. Your clients will see this on your calendar list when they schedule an appointment. Then you can add your location. So if you do face-to-face appointment, you can provide your office address here. Or if online, then you can paste the Zoom link here if you are using Zoom, or just paste other link here if you are using other app for virtual appointment. Then you can add your company or business image here, and you have your email notification here, so you can enter multiple emails here. You can separate it with comma. So you can add your email here for you to be notified when there's a client book or schedule for an appointment. Or you can add your assistant's email for email notification, or you can provide both of your emails. Next is the email that you will be using to receive a response from your client. So for example, we will be using our own email for us to directly receive response from our client. Then after that, just save it and just go here, rooms and resources. Here you can add different rooms if you have multiple rooms, and in one room how many appointment you can accommodate and how many rooms you have. This is good if you have big facility and you have more than one room to assist your clients. I will just skip this part. So now let's go to the second one, creating different appointment types. Appointment types are services which client can schedule. So just click on new type of service to start, and here just name the type of the service. For example, doctor consultation. And down here set the duration time, like how long the appointment lasts for. I will keep the 30 minutes, and then here you can set the price for this type of service. I will just add here $49.99. Then next, you can add some image also here. This image will appear on the right of the appointment type block. And lastly, you can set up access. Here you can have it public. It means that the clients can book this type of service on your scheduling page. And you can set private. For this one, only admins and clients with direct scheduling links can book this type of service. And once done, just save it. And as you can see here, this type of service added here. And you can also edit your service type if you want any changes, or you can easily duplicate the service type for your other service type with similar details. And then lastly, customize your scheduling page. This is important because this is what other people actually going to see when scheduling an appointment and how it will feel for them to go along the process. So here we have two choices. We can have monthly templates or daily templates. It simply means if you will allow your clients to see your calendar availability or your daily availability. The good thing here is you can also see live preview of your scheduling page here on your right hand side. So for calendar, this is better if most of your clients scheduling appointment for a month in advance. They can just select the date here and see the available time. But if most of your clients book an appointment within the week, then daily templates is better to use. Here your clients can directly see the available time to book an appointment. Here you can add your business name, you can add your logo, and also you can add your instructions and some basic informations here that you need to fill out. And once done, just click on Save Changes. So I guess that's all for today's video, and hope this video helped you. And if you have any question, just comment down below, and thank you so much for watching.